Remember the last time you needed money and you went crazy trying to locate the nearest ATM, or when your friend was in town and you had a tough time locating his address? These are just a few instances when mundane things assumed importance and you wish they were accessible. For most who go through a harrowing time trying to find one's destination, the internet now has an answer. A few websites on the internet have now collected all relevant information about cities and have posted them with maps.
Maps, in our opinion, was something which lends itself very well to the internet medium, because internet is about connecting the world in every which way. Now, maps per se, we went in for this GIS mapping because that is a functionality which, if you visit our site, you'll see a user, by visiting here, can get information not only about the last pinpointed location of any institution outlet that he or she is looking for, whether it's schools, colleges, restaurants, hospitals, any functionality that the person is looking for.
Websites like MapQuest.com, Maps.com, and NowIndia.com provide maps of different cities over the internet. These maps are extensive, complete with each and every twist on the road. Don't know the route to your destination? Fret not, now you can get driving directions right on your laptop. Just key in the start and the end key and you get complete driving directions with the travel time.
The maps are what we call navigable, panable, zoomable maps. You can pinpoint a location that you want to go to. You may say that I want to go to a McDonald's in Nehru Place or in South Extension, to that degree of detail, and it will pinpoint the exact location of the McDonald's if you have the location broadly defined on the map.
I've just come from Bombay and I had a lot of problems traveling around the city, and these maps have helped me a lot because I could just go to a web and look at any place that I wanted to go and take a printout and drive along.
You want a eating joint, a Chinese food joint nearest to the hotel where you're staying, for instance. So you type in the locality of which hotel you're staying in. You say within 2 kilometers, I want all Chinese food restaurants, and it'll give you the complete list. By looking at the list, you may decide, okay, this is the restaurant I want to go to. From there, again, you get into all the further instructions on how to get there.
If you are new to a city and do not know your way around, then these websites might just be the right guide. Whether it is an ATM, a restaurant, or a movie theatre, the map on the internet helps you guide through. All you have to do is to go into the search mode of the map. As soon as you key in a particular search, the map provides a list of locations you asked for and even guides you through the shortest possible direction.
The difficulty was in terms of the database, because the map technology is available worldwide. I mean, there are several providers in India, overseas. Where our work really went into why it is unique is in the integrity of the databases that we have, down to the exact location, addresses. Our database is validated with very, very high frequency. It's most updated than any other source. It will be linked to a rationale as to why we want to do it. We are not investing in technology just for the heck of it. So MapQuest has a particular agenda because that is their key content. So our investment will be based on what the consumer at the end of it wants.
In the age of information technology, how to make things simpler seems to be one of the mottos. Till such happens, it will leave few stranded. So if you are lost or you need to know the city you live in, the internet could be the best guide you can rely on.